The 2007 Nissan Altima 3.5 SE. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine. With an automatic transmission, this front-wheel drive sedan, with fewer than 65,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 28 miles per gallon. This Nissan features premium wheels, moonroof, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include cruise control, power door locks, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax."